boy bring me to the mall to buy some music stuff. He's so excited. Look at him. I don't know what he's looking for. I think it's the record stuff. Oh, look at this friend's bag. This is cute. You see how he was coming in the mall just now? He's so excited to come in the mall. Oh, they got friends bag. These are cute. How much is this? $54. Ciao. Look at him. Alright, let me help you, cause
damn, $28. Come on. Oh heck no. And knowing you just picky.
you ain't getting one. You ain't getting two. They don't have it.
You got Michael Jackson. Oh, Michael Jackson? No. Please do. Oh, so you got Bob Marley already. And you got The Weeknd.
Who's that?
Pictures on the mall.
You really picked this up? I'm not buying that.
Not buying it?
No, I'm not buying it.
Goodbye.
Huh? Come on, I'm not buying that. $54. Why is it so expensive for you stuff? This just came out.
So,
This.
what is that? Who's that?
That's punk.
Who?
That's punk.
Random actors. Memories. I don't know this person. Daft Punk. Like, who got... You got into... No. How are you...
Oh, listen.
There you go.
No.
Come on, I'm not... Bro. Listen, I'm not spending so much money on a thing.
Very more.
He don't care what I gotta say. Listen, I gotta go to Walmart to buy him groceries. So, it's either gonna be that or the groceries. Kimani, come here. What? I don't even know who this is. Like, what is this? I don't even know what this is.
I don't know what.
You get lucky, you lose yourself in dance. Like, no, $43. I'm not no.
42.
Listen, the way I feel old right now watching that, like, I have a teenager, and he was not taking no for an answer, and like, it's crazy because I should have known. I didn't know at the time. When I looked it up, when I was there, I looked it up, and I'm like, oh, it's Pharrell and some people. I heard that song before, but I just thought it was just Pharrell. But it never clicked that it was, because it said Daft Punk or whatever it says, I don't know, Daft Punk or whatever. I didn't know, I didn't know it was a group. I thought it was just Pharrell and his backup, backup people. I don't know. I guess it was backup people. I just didn't know. Okay, I don't even know, and. I like that's no man because my son Kimani only listens to one song for the entire time because that's something to do with autistic, and this is why I was like, oh my gosh, I can't buy this, but he wasn't having it. This is why I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so old because I was like, I don't know who these people are, and then I'm gotta spend this much money. Listen, whatever. I'll get back to the vlog.
Money, you gotta put that back. Money, you gotta put that back. Hello. You gotta put that back. I am not buying that. Oh, this is what your father bought you. That's why you like these damn DVDs. No, he did not. He did not buy that. Not for that damn price. He said he bought you something. Check him.
Booklet.
Okay, sign.
Oh, do you want the booklet in the bag?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And now you can put your card in. Here you go, buddy.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Oh gosh, she made me feel so guilty. I had to get it for him. Happy? You happy?
Yes.
What'd you say?
Happy.
What you say to mommy?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, let's go in here. Since you want to get, I'm gonna I'll get you something. I'm gonna see if I can find something in here for me. That's what they have. Oh, this is cute. Slay. Oh, $3. Oh, yeah, medium. What big house is this? Is a big store. It's huge. How long it is? It's $8 though. It's not bad. That's not bad at all. But summertime over, so I don't even want to get none of this stuff. All right, we're gonna get something to eat now. What you want, Popeyes or buffet?
Popeye.
Why do I go Popeyes? Buffet is better. I knew you was gonna say Popeyes. I think I'm just gonna get this shorts. I don't see nothing else I like. Tripping. Let me see my t-shirts are. $10, not bad. I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna get this hat. It's on sale. 50% off. The regular price is $10, so I'm gonna get it for $5. Let's get little shorts. But look at this. This is $5. These are men's stuff though. I'm Papa. Not $3. Ooh, I'm going to use leggings. For the gym. I'm going to use queen size. Now let me come up in here and find a wig store. Let's see what they got. We got everything in this place. Basketball, barber shop, beauty salon. I'm gonna go to Full Locker real quick. And then we're gonna eat. What do they have, Papa? They have something on sale, man. This is Kamani size. Kamani, you actually wear men's size. That's crazy to me. Cannot believe. This is nice. Buy this whole, but it's nice. $150. Then $80. That man's nice. I got a pair of bands on right now. I need a pair of raw shoes. I wanted these pretzels. I haven't had one in a long time. Every time I go to King's Plaza, I always go past. But I didn't even know they had flavors. I didn't know which one to get, so I just get the regular one because I'm picky. I don't want to get it and then I don't like it. This is the one with the salt. This is good. Long time I haven't eaten this. Mine don't like it. I will walk. I'm trying to see how I get down this thing. Oh, let's see the Popeyes over there. I'm not trying to walk down here because this is where cars come up. I'm gonna listen. We gotta do something. Come on. One more? You want it? Nope. It's good. It's buttery and soft and nice. I'm going to Popeyes. Hold on. Oh, that's damn Nashville. Okay. Not them having Fiji in here. That's crazy. For 125? They got a Fiji water in here for 125. That's cool. Not, they don't have this out in New York. Garbage. So I'm not trying to use sugar, so I'm trying to substitute. So equal. I never saw equal in my Dollar Tree. See? That's why we try to come in here. Let's go. I don't think I need nothing else in here. Like, I don't know how I'm supposed to call. They don't got no light. Kimani, stay over here. Like, light down there, but ain't no light right here. Hey, stay back there. Hold on. Oh, that's their bus down there. It's just cause I forgot to show y'all. Not colorful. It's just horrible. We love that chicken from Popeyes. It's always Popeyes. Always. I know what I'm getting. We gonna get this. Hold on, Papa. We getting this right here. Yeah. I was gonna buy the other one, but I bought the 15 piece. No, the 11 piece out of meat. Got some biscuits. Got fries. And this is my spicy. He's not eating. Of course, he's not eating all that all the time. But I give him the regular one because he don't like the. Because I like the spicy one. And he can have for dinner later. My phone literally almost fell out of my hand. We're waiting for Uber to go to Walmart. It's coming in 2 minutes. Come on. Over here, farting up. You're a grown man, little boy. Yo, little boy. Is that red beans and rice? These avocado, these pears are cold. Why pair them cold? Okay, I'm taking 2. Oh, is that some cilantro? Oh, let me see what is this bag up here. Where? 99, 98. No, I'm gonna buy the tofu now because last time I said I was gonna try it. I'm gonna buy it now. Today is what, September 17. I need some cilantro. Is that the price? Oh, is it parsley or cilantro? What are they making that something? And I'm trying to see when they're making the, because I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try the chipotle bowl. I think it's parsley, so I'm gonna try it. I saw it on YouTube. This is 98 cents, so yeah. What's this? Oh, artichokes. I never had that. I don't even know how that tastes. I have celery already. Should I buy another one? Can never get enough of celery, man. And Walmart always have the green one. The green ones. It's only $168. I'm getting it. Come on, let me get a bag. Get a bag for me, please. And then they got the organic ones right here for $2.36. I like it green. The more green it is, the more weight I lose. Alright, I'm gonna try the tofu now. Which one to try? 144 is for this one. And this one I showed you last time was $2.28. Organic one. Because I'm trying it for the first time, I'm gonna go with this one. Because I don't like waste money. Yeah. I gotta leave the bananas alone. It's organic and stuff. Alright. You need wheat bread. You get wheat bread. Oh, I need the bun. The bun too. Try this one. Yeah, wheat bread, Papa. Wheat. Whole wheat. Whole wheat. This. Try this one? Yeah. Get it. Get another one. Because I'm getting one for myself. I don't like all this one so good. Whole wheat. One for him and one for me. Alright. You gonna try to pick a white bread? No, honey. No white bread. Okay, I need some wrap so I can make some chickpeas. I fallen in love with chickpeas. Should I make a small one? Oh, small one. 198. We're gonna try this one. We got some red beans and black beans and stuff. See, healthy in my heart. Even though it doesn't have peppers. Like I said, the balance, man. Some salmon. What is this you just picked up? You just came back with 3 of these stuff. Why you? Your money. You need to pick. Listen. My son, this little boy, went to get peanut butter, grape, and cherry jelly. Like, no. You won't pick one. Not both. No. The full parts. Whew. Waiting for the Uber. That's my shit. Sun is hot.